Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my channel Life is Beautiful with Sugandhi. Today I'm going to talk about anxiety. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a common reaction to stress. You would have seen many people and yourself talking about stress in life. I feel so stressed. Oh God, I have so much work to do. I feel very stressed. Uh, I am not able to sleep well because of the stress. This stress is ruining my personal life, things like that. So, it's a common reaction to stress. What is anxiety? It's a common reaction to stress. This anxiety is, you have positive anxiety as well as negative anxiety. I'll just give you an example. For example, if your examination are announced and now you're anxious that your exam dates are announced, I have to study. You study. On the examination date, you go write your exam and you get good marks. That is positive anxiety. There is also negative anxiety. I am going to take the same example again of the examination. You study well, everything is okay, but as soon as you enter the examination hall, blank. You don't remember anything. Your heartbeat increases. Your BP increases. You feel blank. You cannot write the examination. You start sweating and you come back home. That is called negative anxiety, which has to be treated. If your child behaves in such situation or something like this, you have to take your child either to the psychologist, psychiatrist, or counselor. His or her anxiety level will be checked. After that, it will be decided whether it has to be treated with medicines or with therapy. So you should definitely take your child to a psychologist or psychiatrist, as I told you. And some people, they club fear and anxiety together. No, there is a difference between fear and anxiety. Fear is like, it's a real situation. For example, if there is a dog chasing you, you run, right? You run faster than the dog. Or either what you do, you pick a stone and throw it the dog. This is what you do. That is a real situation. But as soon as you reach a safe place, that fear is gone. That is fear, not anxiety. But anxiety is something different, that is something which comes from your past experience or something that is deep down inside you, which is stopping you to do things. That is called anxiety. It's also called pathological anxiety. It is like some incident from your past is there inside you and making you feel very low. You feel that you are not able to breathe properly. You feel like vomiting. You feel like something wrong is happening. You just your eyes starts watering. You just want to escape from that situation. Wherever you are standing, you just want to escape from that situation. You don't like crowd. You just always want to be alone. That is what happened in pathological anxiety. And there is something called adaptive anxiety also. What is adaptive anxiety? Adaptive anxiety is again something which is adapted by us. For example, I'll tell you, if you're going out and you have small children at your home, you just tell them, your child, you just tell that child that don't open your door for strangers. That is adaptive anxiety. When child is like, okay, I'm not supposed to open door for stranger, and he's always thinking if some stranger will come or not. We also have that, no, in our mind. If suppose at night or at an odd time, if somebody comes in, a stranger comes in, we are very anxious. I become anxious. Anyone is coming whom we don't know, if they knock the door, we are anxious why this person has come. So that is called adaptive anxiety. This is for example, I can give another example of army personnel. They are also trained for this adaptive anxiety, because when they go for war, what they are already trained that this kind of situation will come in your life, so you have to adapt it. Because definitely if you go for a war, they become anxious. They are also human being. They become anxious, but they are trained for it. कुछ भी हो सकता है, anything can happen there. You can lose your life. You won't be. So they have already adapted that in their life. So that is called adaptive anxiety. Now I will just tell you some examples, some symptoms of what is anxiety, because you should always check it with your child, whether, or with yourself, whether it is there or not. You always feel very nervous. You always feel very nervous. You always feel very sad. You always feel that there is a lot of tension in your life. You feel very tired. There is dizziness. You frequently urinate. Heartbeat becomes higher. Breathlessness is there. You start sweating. You start shivering. Sometimes, there is sleeplessness. That is called hypervigilance. You always feel that someone is around you, not able to sleep, properly. That is called hypervigilance. So that is also like a symptom of anxiety. And you cannot concentrate on anything. You cannot concentrate on anything, and you don't feel like being in a group. These are the symptoms of being anxious. If you are so if you feel that someone around you is going through such situation, he or she has to be treated. He or she has to be taken to the doctor. So kindly do that. Going to a psychiatrist or psychologist, as I told you, is not bad. It's always good, because you're treating your mind. It keeps you happy. If your mind is happy, everything is well. So this was my small experience on anxiety, as I'm into psychology. So this is what I have, this knowledge is what I have gained from my studies. Like anxiety is a topic, you can talk for the full day about it. But I'm just stopping right now, and be very cautious. Just always know what is anxiety, and if you feel that you are very anxious, please do treat yourself. Thank you. Here Sugandhi signing off. Bye bye.